Hey guys, today we're going to be making some Mexican style peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. What you're going to need is some peanut butter and some jelly. The type of peanut butter and the type of jelly really doesn't matter at all. So, I chose smooth peanut butter with grape jelly. I have mine pre-selected already. Make sure you have a knife so that you can spread it onto your tortilla chips. Remember, you want nice flat tortilla chips. You don't want the weird curly ones. First get your peanut butter or your jelly, order doesn't matter, and then you rub, or I guess spread, your peanut butter onto one tortilla chip. Then take your second tortilla chip and then spread your jelly on it. There we go. Look at that. It's all coming together. So then you take them, just like you would with a regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and then you put one on top of the other like so, and then there you have it. You have a Mexican peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh, wow. Delicious.